Right, friends. Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to PK Sir Classes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And the most important announcement that I've been waiting from such a long time, and you guys also have been waiting, and you have messaged me so many. I've received, I can't even count. I would have received at least some 250 to 300 messages since last 2 weeks, especially with respect to this exclusive videos for SEMP amendments as well as case study digest. So guys, here it is. So that's the announcement over here. So CA final, SCMPE amendments and case study digest exclusive. It's around 60-hour lectures right now. When I was creating this particular thing, it was 50 hours, but then it went all the way to 60 hours. So approximately it will be 60 hours of lectures with 300 pages of power notes in encrypted form. So that is, I'll show you the power notes as well. It took me nearly 4 months and nearly 6 to 8 hours per day to finish off this power notes, both for amendments as well as the case study digest. And it will be available in Google Drive as well as Android app. So you can watch it from your mobile as well as laptop or desktop, whatever that you have got according to your need. And unfortunately, it is not available in the form of pen drive, considering the pandemic and all the challenges that we have got right now. And it will be available for sale from 30th May. And you can just WhatsApp or Telegram or call to these two numbers, which you can see right now. That is 9246946444 as well as 9063063832. Okay. And you'll be given all the details on how to buy this, all the details over there, and you can accordingly buy the lectures, and that will be made available for you from 30th May. Right now you can pre-book it at a very affordable price of just 1999. Okay. I've really worked very hard to bring this particular lectures under this sort of a pricing, because considering the pandemic and the kind of challenges that everybody is facing, I really wanted to keep the price as much as affordable as possible, considering my overheads, my fixed cost, and all the other expenses that we have got as a academy. So we try to keep it as much affordable as possible. So therefore, right now you can absolutely pre-book it at just 1999, and after 30th May it's gonna be available at 2999. Still, it is very affordable pricing. That's the way we worked it out. And so what are you going to get? Of course, you're going to have these classes in the form of mail you will receive, depending upon your requirement. If you want it on laptop, then you'll receive a mail accordingly. If you want it on Android app, you'll receive a mail accordingly. And after that, you'll get the lectures. Along with that, you'll be getting encrypted power notes. Now, the power notes are encrypted, which means you can open it up only with our classes software. Now, the reason behind this is very simple. Lot of misuse has happened with respect to our power notes, especially in the last year once it has become viral, and I've received so many complaints, and therefore we have to go with this sort of an encryption. And apart from that, I'll just show you how the power notes looks like so that you people will have an idea, right? Yeah, I hope you guys can see here. So this is case study digest power notes, guys. So right now it's around 130 pages, 124 right now when I'm recording this particular video. After that, it would have been 130 to 140. As you can see here, it's completely color. It is handwritten. It is not typed. It's written by me, every single page. Okay, this is only case study digest what you're seeing right now. Every single question, whether it is a case study or case scenario or questions which has been given in the case study digest document of 200 pages which has been given by your ICAI, everything has been written. Okay, as I told you, it took a lot of effort from my side. It took lots. I cannot even explain. There were so many night outs and stuff like that. I tried to simplify it a lot, and as you can see, I used various colors. I don't want to go for typing, to be very honest, because I feel that you cannot really connect that much. Although my handwriting is not that great, I can understand that, but unfortunately I have to write it because it has to come out of brain. I cannot let somebody with good handwriting write it. Unfortunately, you have to bear with that. But I hope I try to keep it up so that you guys will be able to understand it. I think it's decent. So as you can see over here, so as you can see, a lot of effort went through. So I'm just scrolling down through all the pages so that you guys will have an idea of what kind of power notes you'll be getting. Okay. So as you can see, I'm just trying to show you a lot many pages over here. So this is case study digest, what you're seeing right now. And you guys already know how I write my power notes. It will be to the point, it will be crisp, it will be short, and at the same time, it will be easy to understand and easy to remember as well. That's why I've converted the whole case study digest into Power Notes, all the case studies, case scenarios, and all that. So I think I've shown you some 20 pages right now. You would have got a decent idea of how this entire Power Notes has been written. Okay, so I hope you guys can have an idea, right? So this is case study digest. Let's go to Power amendments also. So this is our amendments right now. It's around 140 pages right now when I'm recording this particular video. I hope you guys cannot see the page number. So here it is. So I'll just show you. I think you guys can see the page number right now. I was covering it up. So it's 140 right now. Let me see here. Yeah, 140 here, right? Behind my head. Yeah. So put together, it will come somewhere around 300 pages. So you can even see this, how it has been written. This is amendments, only amendments. I'll just show you how it has been written. Go to the first page. Yeah. As you can see here, guys, this is the modern business environment chapter, only the amendments. See, amendments means it's not just about only the problems. Many people are of the opinion that only the problems has been added. It's not the case. A lot of content has got changed. You can see all these are content changes. All these what I've written here are content changes. Concepts have changed. Problems have been added. Okay. You can see cost management techniques. A lot of content has got changed. All the things that you're seeing right now is content change. And whatever the content, so what I've done is that I've kept the old study material and the new study material beside each other, and then I've compared page by page, and whatever the changes that has happened, I've picked it up, I've simplified it, and then I've written over here. So wherever it's necessary, I've changed it. Okay, I've simplified it, I've added a bit, so that it will be very easy for you guys to understand. So a lot of all these are content changes. As you can see, in cost management techniques, a lot of content change has happened. Performance measurement and evaluation, a lot of content change has happened. So as you can see, these are all not solutions for problems. It is purely content that has got changed. And then of course you can see the illustrations over here and the answers for them. So all the problems has got solved, and you can see the concepts over here. So I hope you guys have got good idea of how it has been written. So a lot of efforts went through that, Nana, only for you guys, so that I just wanted to make your work a lot more simpler, because SCMP is considered as the most challenging paper by almost 90% of the students who are writing CA final, especially under new syllabus. So my target or my intention was, no matter how much hard work I have to put in, I want to put in such a way that it will be made a lot more easier for you guys, and that was the whole intention. So I hope now you guys have got a good idea of how this whole thing has been done and finished. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. So that's the video. I hope this serves the purpose of many of the students who have been waiting. So your CA final, PKSers, SCMP amendments and case study digest videos are available right now to buy. You can pre-book that right now, and at a very, very, very affordable price, 1,999. And after 30th May, it's gonna be 2,999. Right, guys? So thank you so much for watching this video. Share the video, guys. Like the video. And there are so many students who are waiting for this, and there are so many students who are not aware of amendments and all these things, the changes that has happened in SCMP. I want you guys to just help them by just sharing this video in your platforms, social media platforms. Therefore, people will be able to know this, because it was also shocking for me. Even I was not expecting that many students, they're asking like this: will there be any amendments in SCMP? This was the kind of question that they're asking when when I was trying to inform them that amendments has happened. That's the thing. So this is really not good here. So you can do a little bit of help from your side. Whatever the help that we can do in this kind of pandemic, we can try to do it, so that's all we can do as a society. We need to help each other, right? So that's the purpose of living together in a society. So that's what I feel. Anyways, so thank you so much, guys. So like and share this video in various social media platforms. Let people know this, and they will get benefited accordingly. Thank you so much, guys. That's it from my side. Thank you. And last but not least, subscribe to the channel. There are a lot more things that's going to come. Revision classes are on the way. I'm already working on it. Recording, editing, and all the things are happening right now when I'm recording this particular video. And apart from that, there are a lot more surprising stuff that's going to come. So you have to be following me on 3 platforms. One is this YouTube channel. Subscribe it straight away. Second one is my Telegram channel, PK Sir Classes. You can just search with the name PK Sir Classes. You'll find our Telegram channel. Join it straight away. And my Instagram, you can just search with the name CA Prasanna Kumar. You'll find my Instagram. You be ready. There are a lot more surprising things on the way apart from this. This is the first surprise. Apart from this, there are a lot more things which I don't want to really reveal right now. So let me reveal it when the time comes. Okay, so it's gonna be super active. All my social media platforms, especially these 3 platforms, are going to be super active. So I want you guys to be on it. Thank you so much, guys. Jai Hind.